Hi, I'm Dennis Spaeth, publisher of Cutting Tool Engineering. We're here at ESEC at the MIKRON tool booth, and I'm with Clive Kolmanek. And Clive is going to talk a little bit about a new micro milling cutter that you came out with this year. I'm kind of wondering if you could tell me what was the driving force behind the introduction of that this year.
Yeah, absolutely, Dennis. Well, as always, I love having you at the booth, so thanks for stopping by. We're quite excited. We're releasing the new Crazy Mill Cool Micro. And what was the driving force behind this product? It was really customer need for a micro tool that exhibited a lot of the same characteristics as our larger mills. And when I say larger, starting at 1 millimeter. So I guess it's all a relative term. But taking the same technology of superior surface finish, as well as great chip form and long tool life, and then applying it into a much smaller package.
So what were the primary industries you designed this for?
Yeah, so the primary industries, we look at it as 4M industries, and 4M really describes the material that the customer is using. So we look at it, two different categories and how we broke upon this new product line. Your general purpose machining, including stainless steels, which we see more of in the marketplace. So that can stretch from your low carbon steels, your non-ferrous alloys, as well as your more common stainless steels. And then we looked at it, 4M also encompasses our newer technology materials, high temp super alloys, cobalt chromes. These materials are generally much tougher to machine, exhibit different characteristics, have very high toughness, very low thermal conductivity, and this makes it very hard to mill. So by being able to apply coolant through the shank, as well as specific cutting geometries for both of these types of materials, we were able to offer a tool on the market which wasn't seen before.
MIKRON has a patent on this cooling technology, does it not?
That is true, yep, absolutely. So it is a patented technology on how we apply the coolant to the cutting edge for two main reasons. Number one, maintaining constant tool temperature. You'll see degradation of actually the carbide substrate itself if you reach certain temperatures. So being able to keep the cutting tool itself cool is one option. Two, lubricating the part and evacuating chips from the cutting edge. If you're able to move the chips effectively away from your cutting edge, you reduce any chance of recutting. Recutting chips ultimately ends up in poor surface finish, which can be a killer for a lot of our customers.
Yeah. So, what's the feedback been since you introduced this?
Feedback's been very good. We've looked into industries where people have a specific need. Right? I always say, even if you're not machining small parts, you probably have small features to machine. And this is where we've been able to apply it. Traditionally, small micro mills, unreliable, brittle, prone to failure, particularly in hard materials. So by being able to offer a consistent process that is going to give you good reliability, like we see in our larger tooling, taking that same technology and moving it down to the micro package has really been a game changer.
And did we cover the sizes, or?
No, so good question, Dennis. Size range, we start at 1 millimeter, that's going to be our biggest, and we go all the way down to 0.2 millimeter, or 8/1000ths of an inch, more or less. Of that, we have every 100 micron sizes in two different geometries. The S is going to cover your general, SX, those special, those hard materials, your high temp super alloys, your cobalt chromes. In addition to the size ranges, we also have flute options, 3 flute for the 0.2 and 0.3 millimeter. Then after 0.3 and bigger, we have 2 options, 3 flute or 4 flute, depending on your application. If you're looking at side milling, you're probably going to look more at a 4 flute. If you're going to be doing small slotting or pocketing work, the 3 flute is going to offer better usability. In addition, 2 size range, 3 times diameter as well as 5 times diameter. So we wanted to take a product that was previously just thought about as small end mills and really make it niche per application. This gives our customers the flexibility to choose a tool that's going to fit their job and make them succeed.
Clive, would you summarize the main features of the new line that make this introduction stand out?
Absolutely. So to summarize what makes this product launch exciting is, again, we're taking a generalized field and we're making it customer specific. In addition, we're taking our technology from our coolant through capabilities, applying it into a range of tooling that hasn't been seen before. And in addition, really breaking it down to material specific with unique flute patterns, with unique cutting geometries per the material. So really giving the customer a dedicated tool. That's the most exciting part of this whole release.
Very nice. And this is a display of under the microscope. You can kind of see which size is this.
Yep, so this is going to be a 0.3 millimeter tool. it's a great representation under the magnifying glass, under the microscope, on what this tool really has to offer. We see unique cutting flutes here with geometry per material, our patented coolant technology to evacuate the chips, improve surface finish. Great comparison here as you walk by, catches your eye next to a match. This match sparks a whole new generation of technology for us. Our tool is a new star for our company. We're highlighting it, and we're very excited to release this out, and hopefully the customers will be very happy with the star we're offering them. So
Nicely
Dennis,
done. Thank you.
thank you for your time as always.